To hide from my wife, I decided to build an underground bunker fortress and stay here for a whole year, let her regret arguing with me. This is part 9. To avoid being discovered, I decided to bury the entire bunker completely underground. First, I laid a thick layer of insulation on the roof, then started building the inner frame of the elevator. After working non-stop all day, I finally buried the whole bunker bit by bit under the soil. But during this process, my leg got injured badly, bleeding like crazy. The pain almost made me collapse. Luckily, I pushed through. The ground looked completely untouched again, like nothing ever happened. I did a rough bandage and kept working. Honestly, in that moment, I was terrified yet excited. Terrified I might not make it, but excited because the bunker was getting closer to completion. To speed things up, I had to work on the interior at the same time. My goal was to turn the living area into a space that was actually livable. I installed wooden wall panels one by one, then built the main structure of the spa pool, and finally buried the remaining exposed parts completely underground. But new problems kept coming up. I ran into serious material shortages and had to keep transporting stuff back and forth, all while worrying neighbors might notice. Fortunately, I still finished everything in the end, which really helped lighten the workload for upcoming phases. At that moment, I finally breathed a sigh of relief. I felt like I was another big step closer to disappearing for a year. To push the progress even faster, I set myself an even crazier goal to make this place feel almost like a real home. I reinforced the skylight structure so it wouldn't deform under soil pressure, then disguised the elevator entrance so it just looked like normal ground. Lastly, I put up wallpaper piece by piece, but it wasn't easy at all. Moisture and dirt kept messing things up and I had to redo things over and over. Still, thankfully, this phase went pretty smoothly in the end. Standing inside the bunker, seeing it slowly turn into something like a home, I actually felt proud and a little emotional. To keep the entire project moving forward, I had to tackle the most important part: survival systems. My goal for this stage was to make the bunker truly livable long-term. I installed the power system, continued finishing the walls, and then started building the bunker toilet. But new troubles came right away. The wiring was insanely complicated. One mistake could be disastrous. I was literally on the verge of breaking down. Luckily, the power finally turned on, the toilet structure was almost done, and for the first time, the bunker actually felt like a real living space. But this is far from over, because what happened next almost cost me an arm and nearly ruined everything. Like the video and comment part 10. Next time, I'll explain everything.